So ServiceMaster Restore is a full-service restoration company. We work with homeowners, insurance companies, property managers, commercial building owners to restore their property after disaster, whether it's flood, fire, or mold issues. We take it from the emergency of the cleanup and put it right back to where it was before the loss. I think we have 50 vehicles on the road, so it's a lot of work. So every employee had their own physical card. They'd be forgotten or lost, and then we tried putting it in every vehicle because that wasn't working, and it was just always seemed to be an inconvenience. The card stopped working, somebody leaves the company having to log in and cancel and stuff, so losing receipts was always an issue and a pain point with our accounting. You know, they'd constantly be hounding our staff to hand in their receipts, and most of the time they're forgotten in a vehicle somewhere, they're lost somewhere.
Before we started with Fillip, we had this huge file folder and a slot for every single card where ideally after a purchase at the end of the day, the driver would come and put in their respective receipts and such, and then do the reconciliation at the end of each month. And it was always something that was not looked forward to.
We've been with Fillip since the fall of 2023, so it's 8 months, 10 months now, I think. So the way that everything's going is digital. It's way easier for us to manage rather than the paperwork that we had to do.
When I was first reached out to about Fillip, I was intrigued by the efficiency of it. I'd been with the company for a little bit at that point and heard the challenges of ordering new gas cards and having them lost or stolen, or the ever-present hunt for getting all of the receipts that are needed. So having everything be seamless and accessible easily online and things like that has definitely been a huge help for the paperwork and accounting side of things.
Yeah, the feedback is just the ease of using it, not being forced to try and find a certain gas station that we have to stop at, which is an inconvenience when we're driving all over the region or all over Canada sometimes. So just being able to stop, wherever there's a sign. I would definitely recommend using the program. I mean, the ease of use, so many times with applications, having our staff, learn how to use it is always an issue, but this one's been super easy. Accounting loves it, and it's an easy way to track everything that we're doing. So,
yeah, I definitely appreciate the ease of onboarding and getting things set up, and whenever there have been little hiccups, they're taken care of. So I definitely appreciate the Fillip operation. Thank you.